Hi friend, how are you? Hope so doing great. And today my topic is stud and students. As you know, you watched my last previous video and all full tenses and completed and I know you watched this video and today topic is stud and student. Stud it is the most important word in the speaking language our use our daily life using for this word. So without waste time, let's start. Should is the properly advise and all time advice giving and receiving and an opinion you give someone about what they should do. Okay, and should use shouldn't to go somebody advice for say what you think in this right thing to do. I, he, she, it, we, you, they should and should not press verb infinitive without to. Okay, you should wear a suit to the interview. For example, you should wear a suit to the interview. तुमको सूट जरूर पहनना चाहिए. ठीक है, दैट इज वेरी important thoughts. And you shouldn't drink coffee in this evening, it you away. At least that person is the saying you should not, you should not coffee in the everything. I'll keep your away because this is a very dangerous and you body is very nervous and not energetic. So evening time is the not drinking, not take a coffee. Okay, I think you should change your job. I think you should you change you often. I think you should, I don't think you should. think you should change your job. मुझे लगता है कि तुमको अपनी जॉब बदलनी चाहिए. ठीक है, I think you should change your job. I don't think should you speak her. Okay, I don't think मुझे नहीं लगता you should speak her. Okay, you know. And next topic, now it's your turn. Now it's your turns. I like this photo and I want you to say advice. I want you, मैं चाहता हूँ तुम्हें to say advice, एडवाइस देना. मैं तुम्हें एक एडवाइस देना चाहता हूँ. मैं तुम्हें एडवाइस देना चाहता हूँ. आई वॉन्ट यू टू से एडवाइस. गिव एडवाइस. आई हैव प्रॉब्लम गोइंग टू स्लीप एट नाइट. व्हाट शैल आई डू? माई नेगेशन इज द डॉग barks all the time and its drinking make crazy you. What shall I do? What shall I do? What will I do? And what shall I do? Same things, no issue. And previous video I explained that how to use shall and how to use will. So you going to my descriptions and link below and click the video and watch once again. Okay, my children want the dog but my wife is the allergic to the animals. What should I do? What should I do? मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do? My children want dog. मेरा बच्चा डॉग कुत्ता चाहता है. बट माई वाइफ इज़ एलर्जिक टू एनिमल. बट मेरी पत्नी को जानवरों से एलर्जी है. व्हाट शुड आई डू? मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? ओके, आई डोंट नो. मैं नहीं जानता. हाउ टू स्टडी एट होम. घर पे कैसे पढ़ा जाता है विदाउट टीचर, बिना टीचर के. मैं नहीं जानता कि घर पे कैसे पढ़ा जाता है बिना टीचर के. व्हाट शैल आई डू? मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? व्हाट शैल आई डू? मैं क्या करूँगा. ओके, व्हाट विल आई डू भी हो सकता है. एंड दैट्स मीन सेम कंडीशन, सेम सेंटेंस, व्हाट शैल आई डू एंड व्हाट विल आई डू. ओके, and thank you so much. And very small video today I am making. And this is my channel, yashstudio, powered by Ashish Singh, that's my name. And hello, if you like this video and then subscribe my channel. And very good PowerPoint project, and seems like that you have liked my video, and I hope you have this getting good knowledge, and you one day you make the good PPT better than me. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much watching my video.